Seal-Lock is a stronger, simpler, and more cost-effective system for thread repair. This system has been specially designed to ensure ease of use and a long-lasting repair. Inserts can be installed using only a nut, bolt, and spanner, and there is no tapping required. The insert taper itself creates a crush, so it cannot back out. The zinc and cadmium coating provides excellent protection against all corrosion, making it ideal for any situation, including salt water applications. They are vibration and pressure proof, and the internal thread is practically indestructible. As an example, if you screwed a high tensile bolt into the insert and torqued it up to 60 foot-pounds, you will find the thread on the bolt will be totally destroyed, though a fresh bolt will screw straight back into your insert, which is unaffected. This makes Seal-Lock a much more permanent solution than any available alternative. The 60 Rockwell case hardened steel insert has a leading cutting and tapping edge which ensures installation is effortless and can cut into steel, copper, brass, cast alloys, and more with ease. One of Seal-Lock's most important features is that it is an incredibly fast thread repair. Inserts can be installed in less than 2 minutes. This is practically unheard of in any industry. The best way to understand is to see for yourself.